What if I told you that there's a simple and fun way to make thousands of dollars online, all while enjoying the adorable antics of cute animals? Picture this. You sitting back with a glass of wine, effortlessly making money by sharing videos of kittens full of soup and playful puppies. Oh, but Mr. Only, it sounds too good to be true. Well, trust me, it's not. With platforms like YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels booming because people's attention span is getting shorter and shorter, everyone is obsessing over short, cute animal videos. Trust me, I'm a victim. I have an entire folder of cat Instagram Reels. Creators that are hopping onto the trend are cashing in big time, and one of them could be you. Check out this YouTube channel, CatVid19. Get it? Cause COVID. CatVid? They've reached almost 2 million subscribers with only 16 shorts that each earn over thousands and thousands of likes and views. They share hilarious and heartwarming clips and memes of cats that people just can't get enough of. And it's not just them. There are tons of other YouTube channels as well, racking up millions of views with every adorable animal video they post. The demand for cute animal content is insatiable, and people are absolutely loving it. Now, here's the exciting part. You can get in on this action too, and you don't even need to film your own videos. Yes, you heard that right. By sourcing animal videos from Chinese apps, adding your own unique flair and humor, and re-uploading them to YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, you can start earning thousands of dollars through AdSense and affiliate marketing. But Mr. Only, I have a question. I don't know how AdSense or affiliate marketing works. Chill out, because I've got you covered on everything, so make sure to stick until the end. Now, what's the best part here? You don't have to worry much about copyright issues because YouTube and Instagram are banned in China, meaning there's almost no chance your videos will be flagged. Plus, by injecting your own originality into the content, you'll make these videos stand out as your own creations. Let's not waste any more time and get started. It's time to hunt down irresistibly cute animal videos. Popular Chinese apps like Douyin, which is the Chinese version of TikTok, and Xiaohongshu, which is basically Chinese Pinterest and TikTok combined. These are gold mines for this kind of content, but for this guide, we'll use Xiaohongshu. To get started, head to your Play Store or App Store and search for Xiaohongshu. If you can't find it because it's not available in your region, no worries, just use a VPN to download and use the app. Once you've got it, register an account using your phone number or Apple ID. During the setup, you'll be asked to select up to 4 interests. Make sure pets and animals are on your list. This way, your feed will be full of adorable animal videos right from the start. Now that you're all set up, it's time to explore. Browse through the app, and you'll see a ton of cute animal videos. For even more options, head to the Explore page and select Pets. Look for videos that have a lot of views, like those with 100,000 or more. These are usually the most popular and are a great place to start. For this guide, I'll be choosing 2 pet videos, one with Chinese subtitles and one without, so I can demonstrate how to remove the Chinese subtitles. Let's start by finding some cute cats. Here's an example. A video with 170,000 views featuring a pile of ginger cats napping. Now click, let's view the channel. The channel has over 15,000 followers and more than 700,000 likes, indicating that their videos are good content. If we repurpose their content, people will likely love to watch it. Now that we have our video, the next step is to download it. First, click the share button at the top right corner of the video and copy the link. Just make sure you're only copying the link and not the channel name or video description. Next, open your browser and search for Xiaohongshu Video Downloader. Pick a reliable site, like shuiyinla.com. Paste the video link into the field provided and click Parse. After that, choose the download option. When the video opens, click the 3 dots and hit download to save it to your device. Now the fun part begins here, repurposing the video to make it your own. We'll start by adding a quirky caption to give it a unique touch. To get your caption, we'll use ChatGPT to come up with something witty and engaging. Or of course, if you're creative, you can totally come up with your own captions. Describe the scenes in your video to ChatGPT and ask for a nice and cute caption. Here's an example prompt you can use. Hey ChatGPT, I have a video of a group of ginger cats taking a nap together. Can you give me some cute captions for this scene? In less than 2 seconds, ChatGPT will provide several fitting captions. Let's go with this one. Remember, you are always free to make better choices than me. Adding a quirky caption not only makes the video unique and original, but also increases engagement by encouraging viewers to comment and share their thoughts. To edit the video and add our humorous caption, we'll use Capcut, which is a powerful yet easy-to-use online video editing tool. To get started with Capcut, first, click the link in the description to create your new Capcut account. Once you're logged in, click on Create Project, and then hit Import to upload your video files. Drag the video you want to edit down to the timeline below. Now, let's add some flair. Click on Text in the top right corner. paste your caption into the text box and it'll automatically appear on your video. You can play around with different styles, fonts, and sizes to make it look just right. Drag the text to where you want it in the video timeline. To make your text pop, click on Animation and pick an animation that suits your style. Want to add some atmosphere? Click on Audio to import your own sounds, or choose from Capcut's library of effects. Drag them into the timeline to sync up with specific scenes. For that extra wow factor, click on Effects and choose from a range of visual effects. Drag them to exactly where you want them to appear in your video timeline. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, hit Save and let Capcut work its magic to render your video. Then, it's ready to download and share with the world. Let's watch it together. Doesn't that look great? And hey, just a friendly reminder, not a lot of viewers watching my videos have hit that subscribe button yet. If you're enjoying this content and finding it helpful, consider giving that subscribe button a tap and turning on notifications. Next, let's repurpose a dog video that has Chinese subtitles. We'll translate the text to English and then make it our own. If you're using the latest iPhone, take a screenshot of your video. Open up that screenshot and copy the text right from there. If your phone can't do text copying magic from images, don't worry. Just head over to Google and search for copy text from an image. Pick a site like image-to-text.io, upload your screenshot, and let it do its work. Next, it's time to translate. Drop by ChatGPT and ask it to work its linguistic skills on that Chinese text, turning it into English. ChatGPT will have your back with the translation. Now let's edit the video with Capcut. Launch Capcut, start a fresh project, and import your video. Pop it onto the timeline and mute the original sound by giving the volume button a quick click. Click on Text, paste in that translated text you've got, and style it up with a background that covers the original Chinese text. Pick a font that appeals to you, adjust the size, and drag your text right on top of the original. Want to give it some extra flair? Click on Animation to bring your text to life with some cool effects. If you're looking to take your video editing to the next level, here are some additional steps to enhance your creation with Capcut. Let's go ahead and set the mood with some background music. Click on Audio, where you can search through Capcut's library for the perfect soundtrack that fits the vibe of your video. If you have a specific track in mind, you can also import your own music. Drag the chosen music onto the timeline below your video to blend it seamlessly with your visuals. Next, let's add some sound effects to make your video even more engaging. Click on the Audio tab again, but this time, search for sound effects that complement different scenes in your video. Drag each sound effect to its corresponding scene in the timeline to synchronize it perfectly. Once you've fine-tuned your audio elements and are satisfied with how everything flows together, it's time to wrap it up. Click on Save to let Capcut work its magic and render your video into its final form. Once the rendering process is complete, download your masterpiece and get ready to share it with the world. Let's watch it together. Amazing, isn't it? Now that your videos are ready, let's get your YouTube Shorts channel up and running. Start by creating a YouTube account if you haven't already. Then, set up your channel by customizing it with a profile picture, banner, and description that highlight your niche, which is cute animal videos. Once your channel looks inviting, begin uploading your edited videos, create titles and descriptions that use relevant keywords, and don't forget to include affiliate links to promote pet-related products. To start making money from your content, there are a couple of key steps you'll want to take. You're going to want to join the YouTube Partner Program once you've hit the milestone of 1,000 subscribers and reached 4,000 watch hours over the past year. This program is going to let you monetize your channel through ads that play alongside your videos. You can also dive into affiliate marketing by signing up for programs like Amazon or ClickBank. By including affiliate links in your video descriptions and pinned comments, you can earn commissions whenever your viewers click through and make purchases of pet-related products. Now, engagement is absolutely key when it comes to growing your YouTube Shorts channel and boosting your earnings. Consistency is definitely key here. Make sure you're uploading new videos on a regular basis. This not only keeps your audience coming back for more, but also signals to YouTube that your channel is active and relevant. Next, make sure to interact with your viewers. Take the time to respond to comments on your videos, ask questions, and encourage your audience to share their thoughts and feedback. Building this kind of interaction helps to create a sense of community around your channel, making viewers feel valued and more likely to return. And of course, don't underestimate the power of social media. Use platforms like Instagram, X, or previously Twitter and Facebook to promote your videos. Share snippets, behind-the-scenes moments, or even teasers to pique interest. Engage with your followers by responding to their comments and messages, and use these platforms to drive traffic back to your YouTube channel. If you found this guide helpful, click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, dream big, hustle harder, and good luck with your content creation journey.